crop region and crop views. With these tools at the Properties window, we can decide which part of the drawing we want to view. In this floor plan, we decided we want to show just a specific area. For example, the kitchen. Going to the Extend section, the first three options are the ones that help in this matter, you will see. First, I need to activate the crop region and the rectangle appears on the screen. If you can't see anything, zoom out a bit until you see it. Then I can select the region, and with the help of the grips, I can modify the rectangle to cover just exactly what I want. You can see, it's easy. Finally, I can leave it around here because what I want to show is the area of the kitchen. Then, the entire floor plan is still visible, and that's because I have the option Crop View switched off. I check that box, click on Apply, and then you can see that everything out of the area was simply hidden. If I want to hide the border but keep the same area showing up, just uncheck the box Crop Region Visible. Okay, another thing, and this is important. As you can see, some annotation elements are still visible, even if they are outside the region. That's the case of these room tags. They appear because they belong to rooms that have a little portion of the area inside the box. But that's fine. Due to that, Revit has an extra option called Annotation Crop. Click there and then on Apply. And now, when the crop region is selected, an additional dashed area shows up on the workspace. It's basically the range of the annotation elements. So if I modify the area, I can hide the room tags. And look, I make them disappear even if the area does not fully cover the object. A section box is like a crop region but for 3D views. Let's see how this works. I'm going to create a new copy of this 3D view called Ground Floor. Then, in the Extends panel, there is an option to add a section box. I click there, and now I have a box covering the full house. When I select it, you can see that I can manipulate its size easily with the grips. Look, this works in a very similar way as the crop region. So I'm going to drag the grip at the top face a bit down because I want to show a 3D perspective of the ground floor. It's easy, as you can see. So this tool, I find it quite fun. I can make sectional views, or I can also focus in only one room, like what I'm doing now. So just play around with this. To hide the section box, I select it, click with the right button, and hide the element. It's simple. And remember, if we want to bring it back later, turn on the button Reveal Elements at the View control bar. And as you can see, there is the section box and there are also levels hidden here. This time I just want to select a box, then I go to Unhide in View, click on Elements, and now it's again on this 3D view. Later, if I don't want the section box anymore, I remove the check mark and it shows again the full project.